welcome to yet another segment of Monday's Zim-Law Talk. Welcome, friends. I hope you had good holidays, enjoyed your Christmas, and I'm wishing you all a prosperous 2023. Last time, the last talk I did was on one estate planning tool, which was a will writing, whereby one decides to write a will. Today, I'm going to talk about yet another better tool of estate planning, which is setting up a family trust. A family trust is a legal relationship that is created by the founder of the trust, whereby it transfers property to be held by trustees and administered by trustees for the sake of the beneficiaries. This way, there are benefits to setting up a family trust rather than will writing, which I'm going to talk about. The first advantage is that your assets are protected. It's asset protection. Assets that are held in a family trust, they cannot be claimed by creditors of either the trustees or the beneficiaries. Number two is continuity. You ensure that if you die as a trustee, the assets that are held in a trust, they are not distributed because you don't own them. They are owned by the trust itself. And number three, the third is tax. There are tax benefits to setting up a family trust because they do not pay estate duty, for an example, and there are also other tax benefits that I might not be able to explain today in detail. I also maybe just to help you to know that it is very simple to set up a family trust because the requirements of a valid family trust are so simple. Number one is that you just need to communicate the intention to set up a family trust, creating an obligation to the trustees of administering and holding assets that are in the family trust, and you just need also probably the assistance of a notary public because you need to the trustees need to sign the family trust deed in the presence of a notary public. You also need to just have the objects of the trust, of the family trust itself. They need to be lawful. I mean, those are the main requirements of a valid family trust. So please consider having a family trust and setting up one, and also do not think about having too many assets before setting one. Even if you have just one asset, you need a family trust. It is a better way of planning and actually making sure that your the descendants and the second, third generation actually benefit from the assets that you are working and acquiring today. Thank you.